Hi folks, I'm Mark Johnson, and my company's just completed the interior demolition or gutting of this farmhouse, and I'll show you what it looks like. This family room attachment here, we haven't figured out what to do with that yet, but this area I'm in is the old entryway slash laundry room. You know, here is the kitchen that also had a little bathroom in the corner over here one time. You can see that there's an old doorway there. There's an old window here. That window was bigger at one time. You know, chimney here for the cook stove. Over in here, we've got only one wall left. The floor framing has been kind of butchered here by various plumbers over the years. We may have to do a little beefing up of those areas because spans quite a distance. And looks like there might have been a transom over the top of that door. And here's our entrance to the basement. And we'll go upstairs here. This opening here, I think this was original on this side because it's still nice and straight. And then over on this side, they widened it and just chopped off all these bricks. Looks like the original door frame has been reused here, but anyhow, let's go upstairs here quick. The walls are a little thinner up here. They're only 8 inches thick. They're thicker on the first floor so that the floor framing could rest on a small ledge created by the difference in the thickness. This opening here is original, and this little room here, we'd like to raise the roof on it and get a full height room here, match the ceiling height in the room next door, and probably put a bigger window in here also. This window looks like it's actually been reduced in size. So these will all be bedrooms up here. Probably have 3 bedrooms, 1 or 2 baths, maybe I don't know, flex space or something like that. There's that room addition in the back. We're trying to decide whether or not we can renovate that and convert it into some useful space or not. But we're going to put all this stuff down on some papers so we can start doing some plan work and see what kind of options we can come up with for the owner.